Have you heard about the latest game-changing tool that eXp Realty has released to its agents? As of December 6th, every eXp Realty agent has free access to Canva Pro. So this is unlimited design power at no additional cost to them. And this is because eXp Realty understands the power of a personal brand and how important it is to grow your real estate business. So stick around because I'm going to cover some other tools that you get that are amazing to use to grow your business. And this is all included in their low monthly brokerage fees. So if you want to learn more on how to use these tools to grow your real estate business, keep watching. Hey everybody, it's me, Jacob Shireman, your real estate marketing expert. I have over 17 years of marketing experience specializing in web design and SEO, and I take that experience to help you grow your real estate business. So if you'd like to see more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release new content. And if you'd like to get my resources, training, courses, and coaching for free at no extra cost or split to you, take a look at partnering with me at eXp Realty inside the Agent Wolfpack. And there's a link down below where you can book a one-on-one call with me to learn more. So let's dive into today's topic. So this was a very exciting announcement that we got at eXpCon in Miami in October, was that eXp was offering Canva Pro for free to all of its agents. And I kind of had a feeling this was coming. A lot of companies do this, and it's one of the #1 used tools to make graphic designs, to do quick edits to video, because it's so user-friendly that you can really get the job done. Plus, there's so many templates and designs in there that it can really help you streamline that, especially if you don't have the budget to hire a graphic designer or hire a VA that is good at those things. Or even if you have a VA, this is a very inexpensive tool to give them access to. And I love that it's kind of like a cloud base where all of your designs are stored right there and that they can be shared with anybody or anyone that you want to help you with those. So this was, I think, is going to be very impactful, because one of the things I've always loved about eXp versus other brokerages is that you can use your own branding. The only requirement at eXp for branding is that you use their logo or have brokered by eXp Realty. Now, this is different for every country, region, but here in the US, that is the standard that you need to have that there's no confusion that you're not a brokerage, they are, and that you're managed by them. So to me, this is great because you're not stuck using the color scheme or, the branding or fonts that your brokerage uses. And most brokerages want you to use their branding, so it promotes them, not you. eXp understands the power of a personal brand because people are connecting with you, not eXp Realty. Honestly, it really doesn't matter to your clients who your brokerage is, because they don't understand that. What they understand is they're trusting you to build a brand. So if you're going with a brokerage because you think that's going to give you this credibility that clients are going to seek you out just because you're at that brokerage, I'm sorry, marketing and studies have shown that is not true. So you want to build a strong personal brand, and it goes beyond, the looks and graphics, because that's about the experience with you, but we can also make that experience and convey that through our design. So that's one thing that I'm loving right now. And plus, it was kind of disconnected. You had to go a certain place to get the logos and, the color codes and all that. Now, when you're in Canva, you can go right to the brand, their branding profile. You can see the approved logos. You no longer have to guess which ones am I allowed to use. They have really spent a lot of time, energy, and money rebranding themselves so it can look luxury, it can look modern, so people aren't afraid of that old techie looking logo they used to have. They've eliminated a lot of the lighter blues and oranges in their logo, giving it a very sleek, clean look that really will go with anybody's brand. So I'm loving that. And I'm loving the brand kit that they have, where you can go in and get a lot of designs that are already done for you for open houses, flyers for social media, little videos and things like that. And we'll review those. I'll share my screen and give you a quick little tour. But Canva is so powerful. So I want to run down, if you're not using Canva, you should. This is saving users about $13 a month. So I figured that was around $170 a year that you're saving as for your monthly brokerage fee. Here in the US, it's $85 a month. Very nominal for what we get. And we'll cover some of those other things later, but you're now still getting that, and they haven't raised the brokerage fee, which I think is amazing. There's no franchise fee, no franchise tax fee. There's no royalty fees. There's no desk fees, any of that. You just pay your brokerage fee, which, like I said, here in the US, it's $85. But some of the great things that you can do in Canva to really streamline your business is your social media posts. If you have Canva Pro, you can now have access to more photos, and more stock videos as well. If you were trying to make a logo in there or export a design without a background, you had to have Canva Pro to do a transparent background with a PNG. So now you can do that because I have a lot of clients that don't have Canva Pro, they don't want to pay for it. And so they can't do transparent backgrounds of the logo they made. So they have to send it to me and then I have to export it. So this now gives you just unlimited capabilities within Canva Pro, extra designs, because if you see that little crown in the bottom, that means that you had to have Canva Pro to get that. Now eXp agents will get access to all of that. So this will help them streamline social media posts. For our Karuvi platform, where we have social media content done for you, we use a link to give you access to that template in Canva because it's so easy to use. Now you won't have to worry about if we used a premium background, you can use that too if you want to use that stock image. So not only can this help streamline your social media, there's even a scheduler in there. You can schedule those designs that you make straight to social media as well. This will help you with any printable graphics as well. So maybe some 4x6 cards, flyers, business cards, all of those are in Canva Pro as well. So you'll be able to make those designs, get a high quality, and get access to more things. If you're trying to make a logo, you can do that in there as well. So you can do all of your printable graphics, your social media, and you can also create stories and reels in there as well. So if you're not a well-versed video editor, they have an easy to use video editor to do basic video and to edit basic videos. Sometimes I'll use that instead of logging into my Adobe Premiere or whatever to edit, or if maybe I don't want to send it to my editor because it's after hours. I'll just go in there and trim it real quick inside of Canva and export it. So it's really easy to use to do some of the basic editing. For your YouTube videos, for your reels or a story. So you can also edit video in there as well. And then you can also generate QR codes. They have a lot of built-in apps in there, which I love. So you can do QR code generators where it sends them to your website or gives them your contact details. You can do that as well. You can create your downloadable guides in there. There's a lot of great products on Etsy for guides. You can download them to Canva and edit them easy in there. So it gives you all the resources you need to have full branding and really streamline the branding and graphic design of your real estate business. So what I want to do real quick is I want to do a screen share and show you a quick tour of kind of what Canva Pro looks like. We have the enterprise version, and to show you all the things that you get access to that will help you with your business. And then after that, I'm also going to give you a quick rundown of some of the other quick tools that you get for your low monthly brokerage fee. That's all designed to help streamline your real estate business. So let's take a look. All right, so you can learn more about this at exptoolkit.com/Canva. We have so many toolkits, buyers toolkits, sellers toolkits, all of these different things, listing presentations, all included in that brokerage fee that you can get access to tools like that. So this is Canva Pro. They made it very easy to log in. You don't even have to sign up. You just click login and it uses your eXp login. If you're at eXp watching this, you just go to Okta, this is our quick dashboard to all of the apps and things we have, like eXp University, that's included with over 400 courses. But you come down here to Canva, and here is your Canva Enterprise. So I've already been playing around with this. What's really great is if you were already logged in, you can add your current Canva account. So you could, pause your Canva Pro so you don't have to get rid of that account. You can't merge them together, and I don't think you would want to. They said you can import the designs from the other one, but you just come in here and click add other account and you could add that. But what I love about this real quick is that you can come in here and see all of eXp's brand. So if you no longer have to go to somewhere to download the logos, to upload into Canva to use them, all of their branding right here. Here's the eXp Realty brand kit. You can literally see the black logo, the white logo, how they've made everything more modern so it fits every brand. And then on top of that, you can see the color palette that they use in all of their designs and the font. So if you want to use their branding, remember you don't have to. You just have to say brokered by eXp Realty. But if you want to develop your own personal brand, but here is what they use. And then we go down to the brand templates. They've given you access to all of these templates for open houses, social media posts, business cards, sign-in sheets for your open house, door hangers, buyer's presentations, seller's presentations, all of this stuff done for you so you can plug and play and quickly make your design. So basically everything you need to run your business, and it just keeps going. And on top of this, you still get access to eXp's Marketing Center, which has a ton more. They've just imported these in here so you can quickly edit, because let's be honest, almost everybody uses Canva. So this is great. You can make your own designs as well. So like I said, you have full access to Canva Pro. You can export your transparent backgrounds. You get access to all of the, if you come in over here and we click on one of these designs, you get access to all of the stock photos and, nope, sorry. I don't want to open in the Canva app. If you didn't know, Canva has a desktop version, but you're going to get access to all of the different elements, all of the photos, all of those things that you can use that were the premium version. So when you see this little pro thing here, I can drag and drop and it's not watermarked. So this is just a game changer for eXp agents. So a couple other things I want to show you as a part of your $85 a month. Again, not only do you get access to the Marketing Center, but if we look through here, you get access to eXp University as well, Utility Connect, which is another way to make more money per transactions by providing a concierge service to your buyers or sellers to transfer their utilities. And if they sign up for new utilities, like an internet provider, you get the commission. On top of this, we have Make It Rain. We have Workplace, which is how we communicate. You get access to things like eXp World, where you can go right into the office, walk around virtually, and go talk to a broker, a staff member. We have My eXp 3.0, which is how you track your entire business, your rev share, your production. Everything is in there, whether you're capped, whether you're iconing, all of that included. When I tell you they have technology, they have technology. We also have access to SkySlope. SkySlope is how we manage our transactions. So basically, once you have something go under contract, you create that transaction and then put that address in. It opens that up. You put your client information in, and then based on the type of, maybe it's a new construction, a resale, a listing, a rental, whatever, it'll tell you the documents that are required and then some that are optional. And then we have a transaction team that reviews these, is proofing them to make sure you filled them out correctly so you can get paid at the table and quickly issue your CDA so you can get paid same day. Also, we get access to kvCORE. This is our CRM. There is access to Lofty, which used to be Chime. That is an extra fee. However, it's very minimum. I think it's a little over $50, but you get kvCORE for free. I have web design clients that use this. This is over $650 a month as a single agent. We get this included in our brokerage fee of $85 a month here in the States. But I don't want to show you all my clients in here, but you get access to stuff like Property Boost and buyer seller ads and all kinds of flyers to mail out, voicemail drop, all of that. Some of these are additional, but this system, you get your IDX website through here. Easy setup, especially now that they're merging with Bold Trail. They're becoming even more powerful, especially on the web design side. You get access to this. You also get access to programs like Revenos, which is eXp's referral engine. So you can get certified in one of these different types of referrals or lead generation systems that eXp uses, and they can pass leads to you. You also get access, like we talked about, Making It Rain, which is Google Ads done for you. And there also is Facebook ads with express offers, which are looking for cash buyers. But what's great about this is you can set up your ads in a little as a few minutes. You don't have to do anything but put your market and your kvCORE website in there. Making It Rain does the rest. And this is a free platform that we get access to. We just pay ad spend, and 100% of your ad spend goes towards your ads, not the management of the platform. So I think that is huge. So you get all of this stuff like I talk about, and there's even more stuff coming out that eXp gives to help its agents. And what I love is they have never raised their brokerage fee since I've been here in the last 4 years. It's $85 a month. Now every area is different, and depending on the country, and there could be different tools. What I love is things like Canva. Every eXp agent gets access to it. They're really focused on helping you streamline your business and taking it to the next level. And this is why eXp is number one, I think, year over year for the last 4 years for transaction side. So per agent count, we do more transactions per agent than any other brokerage in North America. And that's huge because we are producing brokerage because we have tools like this. All right, I hope you found that information helpful. You know, it's my goal in every video to make sure you can take away something to grow your real estate business. And if you are truly looking to be a part of eXp Realty, I highly encourage you to reach out to me. Whether you are a solo agent, you could be a new agent, maybe a top producing agent, maybe an agent that's stuck in your business. Maybe you're a team leader or a broker owner trying to give more resources to your agents, but you're having to cut back, maybe a hard time keeping the doors open. Reach out to me. Forget what you've heard about eXp. Let me talk to you. Let me show you with facts, not emotion, what your business could look like here at eXp Realty, especially inside of the Wolf Pack here and my group, where we have the best value stack, in my opinion, in all of eXp and that any other brokerage can offer, because we have a well-rounded marketing, especially with my experience and the one-on-one coaching you get with me and marketing plans for you. And if you're a team, all of your agents as well. So book that one-on-one call with me to learn more. I promise it's not a pressure call. We go through the facts and show you what your business looks like here if you were to move over to eXp Realty. And again, if you want to keep seeing content like this, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.